how to manually configure the IP address and subnet mask on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the Wi-Fi network that you are connecting to. And then swipe up to go down and tap on Configure IP. By default, it is set to automatic. You can choose manual. Then in the menu IP section, tap on the IP address that you want to use. 168.1.224 or 222, and then put in the subnet mask. And finally, you can put in the router information at the bottom. Now this information needs to be put in correctly, otherwise you will not be able to browse the internet if you fill this information in wrong. So make sure when you are manually putting this information, make sure you have the correct details from your network administrator. After that, you can tap on the Save button at the top to save the changes. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.